So you want 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and you don't want to wait forever to get there. You want results now. Well, let me tell you something. It's possible. It's absolutely doable if you stop treating YouTube like a hobby and start treating it like the powerful growth machine that it really is. Most creators never make it to 1,000 subscribers. Not because they aren't talented, not because they don't have ideas, but because they're missing the mindset, the strategies, and the discipline that gets you there fast. They wait for luck. They wait for the algorithm. They wait for a miracle. And while they're waiting, someone else is out there using the exact methods I'm about to share with you to hit 1,000 subscribers in weeks instead of years. Now, this isn't just theory. These are practical, step-by-step principles you can apply today, right now, to get results. By the end of this narrative, you won't just understand what to do, you'll feel that fire to finally do it. Because getting 1,000 subscribers fast isn't just about tactics. It's about building unstoppable momentum. Let's dive in. The first shift, treating 1,000 like oxygen. Most people treat 1,000 subscribers like a dream, something nice to have, something they'll reach someday. But here's the truth. If you want it fast, you need to treat it like oxygen. You need to crave it, hunt for it, obsess over it. Because the only way you'll push past resistance, past laziness, past doubt is if you've convinced yourself that hitting 1,000 isn't optional, it's essential. That mental shift matters more than anything. Imagine two creators. The first uploads whenever they feel inspired. They don't study their analytics. They don't experiment. They're hoping the YouTube gods bless them with luck. The second treats every video like a soldier sent out to win a battle. They study, refine, test, adjust. They see 1,000 subscribers not as a dream, but as a deadline. Who wins? Always the second. Always. So the first step to 1,000 subscribers fast is to get serious, not kind of serious. Dead serious. The hook that makes or breaks you. Most beginners think subscribers come from good content. But here's the painful truth. Nobody cares how good your content is if they never click on it. The single most important thing that will determine whether you explode or stay invisible is your hook, your title, and thumbnail. Your video could be the greatest masterpiece in YouTube history. But if the title is boring and the thumbnail looks like it was designed in 5 minutes, nobody will click. And if nobody clicks, nobody watches. And if nobody watches, nobody subscribes. So here's the formula. Start with curiosity. Don't give the answer away in the title. Make people want to find out. Use numbers and urgency. 5 mistakes killing your growth is better than how to grow. Design thumbnails that scream one clear idea. Don't clutter. Don't confuse. Use contrast, big text, and emotion. The first battle to 1,000 subscribers is the battle for attention. Win that, and the rest gets easier. Retention. The secret weapon nobody talks about. Let's say people click. Great, but do they stay? Do they watch? Or do they leave after 15 seconds because you're rambling, stalling, or wasting their time? This is where most creators lose. They might get clicks, but they don't keep people. And YouTube's algorithm is ruthless. If people don't stay, your video dies. So how do you fix this? Simple. Cut the fluff. Every second of your video should either grab attention, deliver value, or build curiosity for what's coming next. If it doesn't do one of those three, cut it out ruthlessly. Retention is power. If you can keep people watching, YouTube will promote your content. And when YouTube promotes you, your subscriber count skyrockets. Deliver transformation, not information. Information is everywhere. Transformation is rare. If your video is just facts, you're replaceable. But if your video actually changes someone, if it entertains them, inspires them, solves a problem for them, they'll feel grateful. And gratitude turns viewers into subscribers. Think about it. Why do people hit that subscribe button? because you gave them something they don't want to lose. They're saying, "This channel makes my life better. I don't want to miss the next one." So don't just give tips, give results. Don't just share information, share impact. Upload velocity, strike while the iron is hot. Here's a secret almost nobody tells beginners. The fastest way to 1,000 subscribers isn't by uploading once a month. It's by creating a streak, a surge, a momentum wave that builds and builds until you can't be ignored. When you're starting out, the algorithm doesn't know you. Viewers don't trust you. So you need to flood the platform with opportunities for them to discover you. That doesn't mean quantity over quality, but it does mean consistency over perfection. A decent video today is better than a perfect video 2 weeks from now, because growth comes from momentum, not hesitation. If you want 1,000 fast, upload at least twice a week. If you can, 3 times. Create a rhythm so your audience knows to expect you. That's how you stop being just another random video and start becoming a habit in their lives. Niche down, blow up. Another mistake beginners make: trying to please everyone. They make random videos on random topics, hoping to catch a wide net. But the wider your net, the weaker your impact. You want 1,000 subscribers fast? Pick a lane. Get laser focused. Instead of being a channel about everything, be the channel that solves this one thing. That way, when someone discovers you, they instantly know whether to subscribe. Think of it like this. Would you subscribe to a channel if you weren't sure what you'd get next time? Probably not. But if you knew, this is the channel that always helps me with X, you'd subscribe immediately. Niche down, own your space. Then dominate. Community. Subscribers are people, not numbers. Here's a secret that will separate you from 90% of creators. If you treat subscribers like numbers, you'll stay small. But if you treat them like people, you'll grow like crazy. What does this mean? It means reply to comments. Ask questions in your videos. Encourage engagement. Make your viewers feel seen, valued, and part of something bigger. People don't subscribe to channels. They subscribe to communities. They want to feel like they belong. If you can create that sense of belonging, if you can make them feel like you're talking directly to them, they'll stick with you for life. The power of storytelling. Facts tell. Stories sell. If you want viewers to binge your content, if you want them to hit subscribe without thinking twice, you need to master storytelling. That doesn't mean you need to be a novelist. It means you need to frame your videos like journeys. Start with a problem, build tension, deliver the solution, end with a transformation. When people feel like they've been on a journey with you, they don't just watch, they remember. And when they remember, they come back. And when they come back, they subscribe. Collaboration, borrowing audiences. Here's a hack for getting to 1,000 faster than almost anything else. Collaborate. Find creators in your niche who are slightly bigger than you, not massive, but maybe 2,000 or 5,000 subscribers, and create something together. When you do this, you tap into their audience. Suddenly, viewers who would never have found you are introduced to you by someone they already trust. That's instant credibility, instant growth. Don't wait until you're big enough. Start reaching out now. Be creative. Offer value. You'll be shocked how many people are willing to collaborate if you bring a good idea. The momentum formula. So let's put it all together. How do you get 1,000 subscribers fast? It's not one trick. It's the combination. 1. Treat 1,000 like a deadline, not a dream. 2. Win the click with irresistible hooks. 3. Keep them watching with ruthless retention. 4. Deliver transformation, not just information. 5. Upload with consistency and momentum. 6. Niche down so your channel has a clear identity. 7. Build a community, not just a subscriber count. 8. Tell stories that stick. 9. Collaborate to borrow audiences. Do all of this and you'll be unstoppable. The final push. Picture this. You're sitting at 978 subscribers. You can feel it. The milestone is right there. Every notification makes your heart jump. And then it happens. You hit refresh, and the number rolls over to 1,000. It's more than just a number. It's proof that you can do this. Proof that your voice matters. Proof that you don't have to stay invisible. And the best part? Once you've hit 1,000, you've built the skills and momentum to go far beyond. 10,000, 100,000, a million. But it all starts here. It starts with deciding that 1,000 isn't just possible, it's inevitable. And if you follow these steps, if you commit, if you execute with fire and focus, you'll get there faster than you ever imagined.